Here's how to quickly refresh your socks. They will look like new. Yellowed socks are a problem you've probably dealt with, but there is a simple solution. Prepare half a liter of water and add a little potassium permanganate. Stir well until the powder is completely dissolved. Pour the solution into a bowl with warm water and soak your socks in it. Leave them for a few minutes so the mixture can work. In the meantime, prepare a second bowl with clean water and add hydrogen peroxide. Once the socks have soaked, take them out of the first bowl and gently squeeze out the excess water. Then carefully dip them into the hydrogen peroxide water and wait a moment. You will see how they regain their white color. This is a simple and effective method that will make you forget about yellowed, dull socks and enjoy their fresh, clean look again. Your socks will look like new, and the whole process will take you just a few minutes. Add this to your dirty laundry, and the results will surprise you. That dazzling white wash you've been dreaming of is within reach. Use this trick, and your socks, shirts, tablecloths, or towels will regain their whiteness. Here's how to do it. You only need one ingredient, a common spice. I'm talking about plain black pepper. Pepper acts as a gentle abrasive and helps remove detergent residue that causes a grayish tint. Simply add a teaspoon of ground black pepper directly into the washing machine drum during your next wash. Wash your white laundry as usual. Clothes washed with pepper will regain their bright white color. Add it to the drum every time you wash towels, bed linens, or white clothes. After washing, you'll notice a difference. Everything will be much whiter than usual. Your laundry is taking too long. We know the surprising reason. You've probably noticed that the program often lasts longer than what's shown on the display and barely changes. Here's why and what you can do about it. The first possible reason is the valve connected to your washing machine. Check if it's fully open. If it's not, the machine takes longer to fill with water. Another crucial step is to inspect the washing machine filter to ensure it's not clogged, as this affects its performance. Overloading the drum is another common reason for extended washing times. Make sure not to exceed the recommended load. As you might guess, this is a very common issue. When doing laundry, make sure to leave about 1/5 of the drum empty. Also, check your washing machine's load capacity to avoid overloading, which automatically extends the washing process. Another mistake many people make is using too much detergent or fabric softener. Excess suds signal the machine to work longer. Follow the instructions on the detergent label for the correct amount to use. By following these tips, you'll make your washing machine run more efficiently and save yourself time. Do not hang wet clothes this way. You can fit many more pieces of clothing in the dryer. Most people hang clothes on the metal crossbars of the dryer. This way, only 5 shirts fit on one wing. It turns out that many more can fit on this part of the dryer. Take some clothespins and grab the shirt by the bottom, then fasten it across the wing. Next, hang another shirt in the same way. With this method, you can hang up to 10 shirts. Hang them side by side on the lower rack. Not only will you use space more efficiently, but the clothes will also dry faster. Fabrics hung like this have much better airflow. Thanks to this drying method, ironing is also much more enjoyable. Clothes straighten out under their own weight. My laundry has never smelled so beautiful and lasted so long as it does after adding this mixture. The fresh laundry scent fills the whole house, and the towels are exceptionally soft and fluffy. After trying this trick, you'll stop buying expensive chemical products. You only need a few ingredients. Grab a bowl and a small cup or teacup. Fill the cup with salt, preferably sea salt, and pour it into the bowl. Add a cup of Epsom salt, which softens laundry perfectly. Then, add half a cup of baking soda to both salts. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. This combination helps remove detergent residues from fabrics and eliminates unpleasant odors. After adding this to your laundry, your clothes won't lose their color. To make the mixture smell beautiful, Add 20 drops of your chosen essential oil. You can mix several scents or choose your favorite. Stir the oil into the mixture thoroughly. Prepare a jar to store this powder, then transfer everything into it. Now it's time to do your laundry. As usual, put everything in the washing machine, add your favorite detergent, and then add 2 tablespoons of this powder to the drum. You can use this mixture along with fabric softener, or you can skip it. When you take the laundry out, it will smell amazing. You'll be surprised at how much impact this simple addition has on the scent of your laundry. Combine these products and you won't regret it. I use these cubes with every wash. They make clothes smell fresher and last longer. I was surprised to learn it only takes 2 minutes to make them. Start by preparing a silicone muffin mold. Add your favorite laundry beads to each compartment, filling them to about 1/3 full. Next, sprinkle some laundry powder on top. Don't overdo it. The final step is to add liquid detergent to each compartment, just under half a cap, so the products mix but don't float. Before use, place the mold with the cubes in the freezer, preferably overnight. The next day, simply toss a cube in the drum with your laundry. Your clothes will smell amazing and more intense than ever. You have to try this trick. You'll want to use it all the time. Sprinkle this on your laundry. Once you see the difference, you'll want to do it every day. Get a bowl and place your laundry inside. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of salt over it, followed by 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Next, pour in enough hot water to cover the laundry. Let it soak for a few minutes. Salt helps maintain color intensity, which is especially important for colored lingerie. It prevents fading. Baking soda softens fabrics, especially delicate materials like lace. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it a great disinfectant. After soaking, rinse the laundry thoroughly under running water. Dry it in a well-ventilated area, avoiding direct sunlight, which can affect color durability. It's a simple and effective trick.